Hi everyone and welcome back. This is going to be the great Christmas gift for YouTuber. When it's time to empty your cell phone, that's the perfect gift. And for everyone too. Let me explain. This is a USB backup drive. This is included with 2 adapters. You know, when your cell phone give you a notice like full and it's not the right time. And this is going to be the right tool to help you out. Let's take a peek inside to show you what exactly we have. This is what exactly we have inside the box. We have turn on into your TV, into your like photo or video if you want. You have this here, the pamphlet. It tells you if you need to send an email to them, that's going to be the right one. You have the user manual, and you have the stick. Here you have micro USB adapter, and the other one is going to be USB-C adapter. This tool will save you for the wrong timing when your mobile is full. We all know these messages come out when it's not the right time, and this unit will save you time and trouble shooting to spare room in your cell phone. Okay, let's put it all together. Take your cell phone, take the adapter you need, plug it in, et voila. Take the stick, et voila. You're going to see a red light. Et voila, that's perfect. And on your cell phone, you're going to see that message, general USB drive, and now you can transfer all the data drive. This unit was in the 10 best gift idea for Christmas on bestdeal.com. This box contains a metallic container. This unit can be hooked up on a keychain. This stick has 16 gig of capacity. More than enough to help you out. I hope you like this video about that photo backup stick. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, Mano sent me a microphone, XLR, and this is going to be good for podcasts and plus. And see you next time.